So I picked up number 2 lawnmower. This is the second one within a couple weeks. People put them at the curb. All I did to it initially is I put gas in it. The recoil rope was down here. So all I did was put it back in here. I'll cut the excess off. I pulled it 3 times to start it right up. Ran for about 10 minutes, then stalled. So then I said, let me check out the carburetor. Look at the fuel line. Somebody replaced the fuel line and kinked right here. Not enough fuel can get through. It's just about closed. It is closed actually. Maybe just a little is bleeding through. That's why it started initially. So now I'm just going to cut the hose. Cut that hose and see if she stays running. So about 40 minutes later, I took the carburetor off. Carburetor was dirty, and these Kohlers have a special seal, like a flat O-ring. And if it's not sit properly into the casting, the carburetor, when you put the bowl up, it leaks. So the fuel bowl was leaking a little bit, and that's it. I checked everything else out, cut the fuel line back, and here's the result. So we have to doing the carburetor, cleaning the carburetor, shortening that fuel line that was kinked, and cut that 8 inches of excess rope off. This is what we have. Why people throw things out, they don't know how to fix them. That's probably why. That's a good reason. Their trash is my treasure. Anyway, this is the 3rd lawnmower within 1,000 feet of my house that I've found. Again, just to think about all the lawnmowers that go to the landfill or get picked up by scrappers, it must be overwhelming. Anyway, just a quick fix. Now I got myself a good lawnmower. Another thing I didn't know, I'm just pushing this lawnmower, and if you push the handle in it, it has drive. I've never seen that on a lawnmower. Lawnboy, which originally was made by OMC years ago, and now it's got a Kohler motor on it, which is really nice. 6.5 horse Kohler, but I've never seen that where you push in the handle and it goes into gear. That's pretty cool. I just found that out. So again, out of the last 3 mowers I got at the curb, fixed all 3. Very simple repairs, and no ignition work at all on any of them. Just carburation and other things. Bad ropes. The ropes are too short, or this and that. Spring was broken, the recoil on one. But this is pretty cool. I wish I had the bag. I might go back to the house and see if they got the bag. That's really pushing it though. But just another note. Push it in and it goes drive. Unbelievable.